Alright, what up YouTube? Just thought I'd make you guys a little video. As you can see, it's not back there anymore. But I just thought I'd show you guys what I've done so far for the past few weeks. I put in the punch components, Rockford Fosgate, 6x9s back there, and 2 tweeters. And same on that side. We got my voltage meter in, and the bass knob. Also, we got, here, let me hop in the back. I don't know if you guys can really see it much, but I got a Soundstream XXX 4000B. You guys can't read that. And then we got a super tweeter up here, but we have that unplugged because it's too much. But we got it all, and then we also got the Kicker 6x9s down there at the bottom, and then we have it on just like a power acoustic for now, 4-channel. And then what we're playing with now is 18-inch 5BT or BL in the same box. Just cut a new hole in it. It just has a little damage right here, but other than that, that doesn't affect it any. But I'll show you guys what she sounds like. Lot louder, I can tell you that much. Just a little update. Also, just letting you guys know before it's 5 minutes here, that I am entering a DB drag for my first time here over in Cordova at a raceway. I'm really hoping to get a 144. If I get a 144, I'll be in the Pro League. So I guess we'll find out, huh? Alright, well, yeah, just thought I'd update you. Oh yeah, I forgot I told you. I needed to tell you that I tinted my windows and I put the strip up top, the strip at bottom. Other than that, she's really coming along, but yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.